Hello and welcome to this Python 2 tutorial. What we're going to look at today is creating a reverse cipher. A reverse cipher is pretty easy to decrypt by eye, so really not necessary to do it in Python, just a bit of fun. So an example would be this here. To decrypt it, all you'd need to do is just read it backwards. So the answer to that one is this is a secret. So what we'll do is start up Python and have a go at getting the computer to do that for us. Okay, so with your Python started, what you need to do is go to File, New Window. The first thing we'll do is declare a function. So def rev cipher, open close brackets, colon. What we're going to do now is set up a space for our message. So message equals. You can have a type of message in here, or I'm going to set it up as a raw input so I can get some data from the user. Next step is to create a holder for the translated message. So translate equals, and just open and close quote marks. What we'll do now is declare a new variable. We'll call this I, and that will equal len, open bracket, message. So what that does is count the length of the message. What we're going to need to do though is add a -1 on the end. This is to account for if you had a word like hello, it's got 5 characters, but when Python's reading those characters it starts from a 0. So 0 to 4. So this -1 will compensate for that. When you finish with this tutorial, if you go back and just delete that -1, have a look at the error message you get. Hopefully you'll see that in the future and be able to recognize it. Okay, next step is to create a while loop. So type in the word while I is greater than or equal to 0, colon, translate equals translate plus message square bracket I. So that just returns the value of the letter we're currently looking at. And we just need to take down the count by 1, so I equals I minus 1. And finally, we want to print translate. So we're going to print this message that we created at the top. All that's left to do is call that function. So we'll just do rev cipher, open close brackets. What we need to do now is just save and run the program. So I'm just going to run module, it'll ask me to save. Give it a suitable name. Remember the .py extension at the end. Click on save. Hopefully it will come up and we'll be able to type in hello world, press enter, and there we go, we get it in reverse. What might be useful is inside this raw input bracket here is just please enter some text. This just gives the user a prompt so it doesn't look as though it's just running from blank. So let's rerun that again. There we go, please enter some text. So as you can see, I use this for my username. Brilliant. So like I say, it's a very basic cipher, very easy to crack, but we've done it now via Python, which is all good. There will be a link to the GitHub account with this code at the bottom, should you want to just take the code and copy and paste it in. Hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching.